So welcome everyone in your new video. Now we are going to discuss another DSA problem in your DSA series. Here we will cover DSA up to 8 to 10 LPA package companies. So thank you. We are going to share like now what is going to discuss in this video. Here is the problem is like check two string arrays are equal or not. How we will check that? I am going to say here like this is your first example. Example 1, inside you will see input word 1 word 2, this both are arrays a b and c, a b and c, then output is true only. Here explanation we will see a word represent string ab plus c is equal to abc. Word 2 represent word 1 means array 1 and word 2 means array 2 represent string a b and C both are ABC, then output is true here. And we will see here in second example. Now we have word 1 and word 2 both. A, C, B, A, B, C and false. Why false is here? We will see like A, C, B, A, B, C not matching anything because occurrence of character is different. Here see A B C D D E F G A B C D D E F G, output is true because all the words are in sequence. We will arrange this array, then it will become like A B C D D E F G H, then it's a true. But here we will see I am going to arrange here like A C B for word 1 and word 2 we will arrange A B C, both are not equal, then it's considered as false here. Now let's going to solve this question. How we will approach this problem? First we have to declare two arrays for string 1 and string 2. We will take here word 1 and word 2. First example, what is your word 1 and word 2? This example I'm going to copy here. Remember this curly braces. If you will take sample, then error will come. Array 1 completed. Now array 2 we have to complete. You will see all the examples how these are. Because we will not here cramming only, we will learn all the things how to approach the DSA questions in your interview. Let's see. Remove this one and both array completed. Now we have to make one function that will take both, because function is a good practice. We have to check output in true or false. We will make boolean as a return type of that function. Check array string are equal or not. We will take this whole full control C. String array are equal or not. We have to take this both the things and we have to pass this both the things inside this array. Oh, function word 1 and word 2. First word 1, then word 2 we have to pass. Now I am going to declare this same function as well as from here to. I am making here one other function. Now string array one and string array 2 completed, and we have to take boolean type. Static, why static? Because we have to access inside the static public main. Boolean return type, because here we are returning only true and false. See here output true and false. and let's go and dive in this question how we will approach. First we will take like string builder because string builder is a good practice. Why string builder? I will tell you. Element string 1. Now first why SB1 is here, because first I will store this all the array inside the string builder so that I can make this all the two string different inside this array. I will make as one word ABC. See here SB1 dot. We will use which method? But direct we can't take. We have to iterate on this both the indexes 0 and 1th index. So we will go and take one for loop here. For each loop we can take here string I colon and our word 1. Okay, and now SB1 dot append method we will use here. Because append method works to add the values inside the string builder, so we are going to use this append method. And what we have to give inside this, you will see I am taking here I. Now this is for only one word completed. I am giving comment here. First array, and now similarly we have to take for second one also, because after storing and making one here we are making this string as a B and C together. This is for second array. Now here we have to change modification string builder to I. We can take word 2. We have to take here and we have to store here, then complete it. Then now compare to string how we will send the output true and false. You will see here return both SB1 dot to string dot to string method we have to use here for comparing the values. I will tell why we are using this. See, your code is completed now. Word 1, word 2 we are taking here. Now we will use this whole example here, don't worry. How to store and storing this value, why string builder, all the answer I will give in this video itself, don't worry. Now we will receiving that out boolean result, and we will print simple true or false. See, taking full, making result. That's it. We have solved your one DSC real-time example problem in this question. Now I'm going to run. We will see any error or not. But error is there. Equals method. But we have taken only equal here. Equals. That's the very big mistake everyone doing, because it's giving a false. Why it's giving a false? A, B and C. A, B and C. Here it should give true. A, B and C, A, B and C. But why giving a false answer? Let's check everyone what mistake we have completed here. Like string builder, SB1 new string builder. We are storing inside SB1, and again like we are taking SB1 here. See, we have to take SB2 because we have taken here SB2. That's the mistake. Now output is true. Now I will tell why this line we have taken. String builder, I will show in paint, don't worry. See, this is a 1. SB1. Okay, this is a one object. One object. And this is the another object, SB2. Both are string builders here. This is a one string builder and this is another string builder. So what we will going to discuss here, why we have taken two string. We can take equal equals also, but equal equals give this time what? False, because both reference are different. This one is comparing to C S1, this is S2 address. So how we are taking here dot equals method for comparing this, because it will compare the content. It will compare the content. Equal method what will compare the content, both what we have stored here inside this, both it will compare that. So we have taken two string. Why two string? Because inside object we have stored that values, but string. See, I will show you. Like if I will remove this from here to string method, you will see what is going to happen here. See output, what output will come here? See, output is coming false, because route now it's comparing the object value, not the inside present object values. It's comparing this both objects only here. That's the reason we taken two string. Understand everyone? That's the reason I taken two string here. Now it will give run. Now we will discuss your this example, or it should give output false. Now I am taking these values inside our first array, because in company they will give all these test cases, then we have to solve these questions. So remember everyone, not only for one test case, we have to solve for each and every one. It should give output false. Yeah, right, it's giving output as false. See here, example 2, it's giving a false. It's right. Now we will compare this your third one also. See, it will give correct output or not. Learning a DSA is very easy if you know the right approach, what you are using. See, output is true. So thank you everyone. See, and make focus on DSA more and more. How more you are giving efforts, that efforts will come back in your karma. Don't worry, prepare well.